Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sully Agricultural Farm, and today we are here with another construction video showing work activities of the people here. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. So again, we are located in Batala, Bon County. So this is what we are establishing here, our agricultural fund. Some of our featured activities will be on plenty production, cocoa production. We'll also be carrying on the rearing of cattle here on this particular farm. And then this is what we have here today. Our workers are here. So these are the place the workers gonna be sleeping or living where their production process is going on. Again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your subscription matters a lot, and your views also matters a lot. So keep going along with us as we go along, showing you how it looks here today. And again, we are not only engaged into agricultural activities, we have enterprises on the highway, Rabafi Highway. We have our used goods enterprise. We have the bat. And then we have the drugstore. So if you are driving along the Rabafi Highway, you can stop by the Jungle Farm Junction and shop there with us. These are some of our investment, but we have other investment coming later. But these are the one we have now. And then we also have our Facebook page, so you can just visit the link
so that
you are seeing here.
The push.
But the plan is
No.
maybe you take it while yeah, I don't know how many know.
Okay.
But they want to make it PB. But you're not moving just now. But they want
So guys, you can now listen to the dialogue among some of the workers of the city agricultural fund and hear what they are saying.
So the push, the one of the push.
5 feet. Measure it. They are 13 or 5.
We thought about 13 by 6.
The 5 be all. This we put it here with 2 sheets and a half. The 2 sheets will get wet. So the 5 will be alright. The 4 6 will come where? If you the black one, even the 5 the black one from where? Another inch will add on it. Now you'll be looking small in your eye, but when you level in front, put everything in order. It'll be alright. 5 be alright. More people can do it 4, but I want to take it 5.
Okay. And I was looking at 6.
5 alright.
5.
According to him, he said because
the weight. The wheel is zinc, the spline,
down.
It will be cracking.
It will be cracking.
They'll crack.
But this will be hanky.
This will be my.
So when you weight too much, when it's 6 feet too much, it will be suppressing it. So it's better just do 5 feet.
The wheel's already low.
All right.
So
Thank you.
I asking you today morning, why you can't go by the since the photo and for the 6 feet. And he told me, he said no. It's better because of the death to death. That will
reduce the weight of
reduce the weight.
Okay.
I just
So-
alright. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you think how many days you will take on the
It depends on where you provide the material.
when the material here now? How many days?
Okay, 1 week.
1 week from now. Okay.
The material is delivered on the ground.
All right. But we not get your own estimate there. We got the first estimate for your own now.
Yeah.
On the zinc.
The zinc. If I do the estimate, I want to be too exact because I will just bring 21 bono first. And then when I will leave now, there will be 1 or 2 bono will not do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh.
Then how do you call it? The 4 in there.
Mm-hmm.
For the first 2 cartons, the 10 in, there about 2 packs, about 10 packs.
All right. Okay.
They major. At the 4 in middle we're using.
All right.
So there is zinc there about like 22 packs.
Okay.
The other one is gone. So anything now, will be Alex.
All right.
Let me do the other way, yeah? Okay. I have problem.